Hello students, today we are going to start our computer subject 4th lesson, that is keyboard. Students, in this lesson we are going to study about uses of keyboard and keyboard keys. So start. Children, a keyboard is a part of a computer. It has many buttons. The buttons on a keyboard are called keys. Look at this picture, students. The keys of a keyboard are like the keys on a typewriter or a calculator. First is alphabet keys. Some keys of the keyboard have letters on them. So these keys are called alphabet keys. The letters are of the English alphabet. Okay, and alphabet keys is A to Z. A to Z is the alphabet keys. The order of letters on the keyboard is different from the order of alphabet. That is, the first row has this letter Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P. This is the first row of alphabet on the keyboard. For example, students use the first row to create words. Pen, watch, pencil and rat. Next is the second row has these letters A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. This is the second row of letter on a keyboard. For example, use the second row to create words. Food, look. Food, we eat this food. And another word for look. Look means see. Okay. Next, the third row has this letter Z, X, C, V, B, N, M. This is the third row of letters on keyboard. For example, use the third row to create words. Moon, it shine in the night. Yes. Second, zebra, an animal with stripes. Okay. Next topic is number keys. Some keys have numbers on them. They are called number keys. The number on the number keys are 1 to 0. 1 to 0 is the number keys. When we press keys on a typewriter, we hear a sound. We also see the letters on the paper. Suppose students, when we press 5 on the keyboard, we see 5 on the screen. Okay. Next is space bar. The longest key is called a space bar. Look at this. This is the space bar. Okay. And children, there are more than 100 keys on a keyboard. How many keys on keyboard? More than 100 keys on keyboard. Next is arrow key. There are 4 arrow keys on a keyboard. Up, down, left, right. Okay. Okay, students. Children, I hope that you have understood what I taught you today. Now let us see a video to get more information.
Computer keyboard. A pencil or a pen is needed to write in a notebook, but we cannot use a pencil or pen for writing on a computer. You have to use the keyboard to write or enter the information and instructions into a computer. It looks like a typewriter's keyboard. It has many small buttons on it. These buttons are called keys. Whatever we type on the keyboard appears on the monitor at the cursor position. Cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor. There are usually 104 keys on the keyboard. There are different types of keys to perform different tasks. The different types of keys are as follows: alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, special keys. Alphabet keys. These keys are used for typing letters and words. The letters A to Z are written on these keys. The alphabet keys resemble the keys of a typewriter. Due to its first row of alphabet Q, W, E, R, T, Y, it is called a QWERTY keyboard or keypad. Number keys. These are keys with numbers written on them. These keys are used to type numbers. One set of number keys are placed above the alphabet keys and another set is on the right side of the keyboard. 0 to 9. Numeric keypad can be used only when the numlock is on. Function keys. These keys are used for different functions in different programs. These are found at the top of the keyboard. Special keys. Spacebar. This key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give space between two words. Enter key. This key is used to move to the next line. Caps lock. This key is used to write in capital letters. When caps lock is on, letters appear in uppercase or capital. When it is off, letters appear in lowercase or small. Delete key. It erases letter to the right of the cursor. Backspace. It erases letter to the left of the cursor. Shift key. Shift key is used to type special symbols written on the upper side of the numeric keys and some other keys. It is also used to type a single capital letter at the beginning of the sentence when caps lock is off. Arrow keys, also called cursor control keys or cursor moving keys, they are used to move the cursor in up, down, left and right directions.
Students, did you understood the video about a keyboard? Now let us summarize the topic. A keyboard has any buttons on it, they are called keys. Some keys have letters on them. They are called alphabet keys. We use alphabet keys to write letters on the screen. Some keys have numbers on them. They are called number keys. We use number keys to write numbers on the screen. So, with this our chapter is completed and you studied about work of computer. So please read this lesson from your book carefully. I have sent exercise which you need to open by clicking on the blue link of exercise and write. Children, you also need to solve the MCQ test. Students, your first term syllabus is over. Do study properly. Okay, bye all of you. Stay safe at home. Thank you.